Today, I'll walk you through how to tell if it's a Snapchat bot, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to identify suspicious accounts so you can protect your Snapchat experience. First, open your Snapchat app. This is where we'll begin our investigation. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji or the profile icon in the top left corner. Once you're there, tap on My Friends. This section displays all your contacts, and it's crucial for spotting any unusual accounts. Now take a moment to view the profile of the suspicious AI friend. You can do this by tapping on their name from your friends list. This will give you a closer look at their profile details. After that, check and review their profile by clicking their name on your conversation page. Look for any signs that might indicate they are not a real person. This could include a lack of a profile picture, a generic username, or minimal activity. If you find something suspicious, click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of their profile. This will open a menu with more options for managing your interactions with this account. Next, click on Manage Friendship. Here, you will have the option to either block or report the profile. If you suspect that this account is indeed a bot, it's wise to take action to protect yourself and your friends. Another indicator that you might be dealing with a bot is if someone added you and immediately messaged you with a script or a link. Real users typically engage in more personal conversations, so be cautious of generic messages. In summary, identifying a Snapchat bot involves checking their profile, reviewing their activity, and being vigilant about unusual interactions. If you follow these steps, you'll be better equipped to keep your Snapchat experience safe. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.